Hi, good day. Today we're going to learn about Science Form 2, Chapter 3, Nutrition. Subtopic 3.4, Process of Absorption and Transportation of Digested Food and Defecation. So the process of absorption occurs in the vilus, which is found in the small intestine. This structure is very unique, and because of it, the absorption of the product of digestion is fast. It's because of its characteristic, which is thin, moist, and it has a large surface area. So this diagram is from the textbook. So you can see there it's like a finger-like projection. It has many folds. These folds allow it to have a larger surface area, and this increases the absorption rate of the products of digestion. The wall of vilus is also very thin. It is 1 cell thick to increase the rate of absorption. And it is surrounded by a network of blood capillary. So you can observe this in this structure. This is a single villi. The green color structure is lacteal, which transports fat-soluble products, which is fatty acid, glycerol, and fat-soluble vitamins. And the blue and red structures are blood capillaries. They transport glucose, amino acid, as well as water-soluble vitamins and minerals. So there are two videos here by Benzer. One is about the structure of the villi, and the other one is about the absorption of digested food in the villi. So you can view them. This is a very nice video for you to have a better understanding about this subtopic. So the process of transporting of the products of digestion, it starts in the villi, where small molecules of glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, glycerol, vitamins and minerals are absorbed into the vilus, and they will undergo a process which we call as assimilation. Assimilation is a process of distributing the end products of digestion for the use of the cells in our body. So you can see the pink tab there. Glucose is used to produce energy in the process of respiration. Amino acid is used to form component of cells as well as to repair cells. Fatty acid and glycerol combine to form fat, which is used as heat insulator and to protect internal organs. There are two systems which are actively involved in this assimilation process and digestion process. So firstly is digestive system. It breaks down large and complex particles of food into small and simple molecules so that they can be absorbed into the villi. For example, when you eat rice, when you chew rice, rice is broken down into simpler particles of food, simple molecules of glucose, and this will be absorbed into the villi. Then what will the circulatory system do? It will transport this glucose and simple molecules to the cells of the body, and there assimilation occurs, where end products are distributed for formation of new cells, for respiration, and also for regulation of body temperature. So what will happen to the waste products? Yes, the waste products will undergo a process which we call as defecation. It occurs in the large intestine. So what are the waste products of digestion? The undigested food and food that is not absorbed by the small intestine, such as fibers, waste secretion of the digestive tract, dead cells, water. So all these things will move through the large intestine, where water and minerals are reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Alright, this makes the unabsorbed and undigested food to become solid waste called feces. Feces is tai. Right? So feces are stored temporarily in the rectum before being eliminated through the anus. Toilet habit is very important. You cannot keep your feces in your in your rectum for a long period of time. You have to go to toilet at least every day once. So the process of elimination of feces from the body is called defecation. So when the feces comes out of your body, it must come out smoothly. It must not be very soft. It must not be very hard. So if it's too hard, that means you need to take more fiber, more water. If it's too soft, then you have to consult a doctor. Alright. So with the defecation process, the digestion process is completed, fully completed. So that's all for chapter 3. Thank you for being with me throughout chapter 3. Hope you have a nice day. See you soon. Take care. Bye.